Alright, before we start the video, I have to tell you something. This might contain real EAS beeps and sounds, so if you're scared of those, you can click off of this one. I'll allow you to click off the EAS ones, because they're really creepy. Like this. Come on, follow me. Anyway, after that point, once the video starts, I'm just giving you your warning. Once the video starts, you can't turn back from this. So, yeah. So serve your well in this video. And I hope I just wasted an extra 5 minutes of your life by talking this dumb production thing. I have no idea. Yeah, anyway, more info. I love this sock. I love the sock. Okay, anyways, time to get the video to start.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Office of Civil Defense. This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a test. Local law enforcement agencies are warning of violent unrest in the following counties: Dodge, Lakefield, Battle Ridge, Big Prairie and the following areas: Lakeville, Pine Creek, Buckfield, Douglasville, Lakeview Shopping Center, and Buckley Air Force Base. This is a dangerous situation. Stay inside of your home and barricade windows and doors. Wait for law enforcement to arrive, and do not leave your home for any reason. Individuals may act violently and cannot be reasoned with. Avoid individuals displaying signs of aggression at all costs. Repeating, a security alert is in effect until 12:00 p.m. Thursday Central Daylight Time. This warning may be extended at any point. Please stay tuned to 12:65 a.m. for real-time updates. This message will repeat.